It takes an ugly situation for things to finally work out. We are talking about none other than Usain Boji and Seemah. Sanbanani Dumelang and welcome to Celebrity Love from Zanzi. If it is your first time, you know what to do. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell for the next celebrity, influencer, politician update. And of course, you can engage with us via the comments section. Ladies and gentlemen, trending right now is none other than Usain Boji and Seemah. Now, we all know that the two used to be best of bombers, right? They used to be friends, they used to support each other's projects up until they had a massive, messy fallout whereby they went to social media and they started to call each other names, and they even vowed that they will never be in each other's space. That's just how horrible their relationship got. Now, recently, they have been trending because of their involvement on their Alabuga Start program in Russia. And that program, it was said that it is a possible human trafficking syndicate or right, to such an extent that both the content creators and many more other content creators, their accounts were taken down on TikTok because South Africans were definitely not happy with their involvement in such a project that could be danger to the youth of South Africa, right? Now, when it all started off, at some point we saw Usain Boji defending all the content creators, and she even said in her own words, I don't like Seemah, but like any other content creator, I'm not gonna blame her as much as I'm not blaming any content creator. I'm not even myself as Usain Boji. I'm not blaming myself for the Alabuga Start program. So Usain defended Seemah during that time. And recently, in a recent podcast, right, Eyabu Seemah, we saw Seemah defending Usain Boji and saying, you know what, I don't like Usain Boji. Kodwa-ke, the things that are said to Usain Boji, they are horrible and nasty. Did you just say that, Seemah? I mean, were you not the one that was name calling and saying horrible things about Cyan? And now, when South Africa is doing that, then when you are standing up to defend her, what are you saying? Are you saying that you are the only one who qualifies to be calling her names? We don't know. So Seemah has been defending Usain Boji, saying, you can't be calling her that, you can't be, it's not okay, this and that. And before we know it, we saw Usain Boji now following Ubani Seemah on, I think it was on X, if I'm not mistaken, and then Seemah in turn followed Usain Boji back. So guys, sooner or later, we might see the ladies probably going out and having some shampoo, some wine with sushi together. We never know. But like I said in the start, it takes an ugly situation for things to finally work out. Let's just hope that their friendship is gonna come back, and it's gonna come back strong, because these are two powerful ladies. And hope that next time when they are together, they will be able to reprimand each other when they involve themselves in some projects, whatever the case may be. Right, moving along, guys, because we are not here to stay. Right, so now, guys, in Vuyokazi, ex yaka Sbindi boy Mseliku. Can't believe I said that. All right, I must stop it. Now, Vuyokazi, guys, went for another second BBL. God, okay, I still don't understand this whole thing at BBL. I think you guys must just go into the comment section and explain to me what's a BBL, because BBL, I want to believe it stands for Brazilian bottom lift. Bottom lift. And then I'm seeing Vuyokazi as if yena uyokhipha amafutha, like, you know, and the stomach. Like, I don't understand it. God, I get whatever that she went to do, because they're saying it's BBL, right? Um, a lot of people are saying it's too much. Can she stop now? But uyaphela, but uyaphela. Right, so people are complaining. And guess what? Vuyokazi responded by saying everything that she's doing it for herself and not for any other person. Mm. Okay, Vuyo, I hear you. I hear you. At the end of the day, Vele, everything that you do in life, you do it for yourself before any other person whatsoever. God, do I get me now? I want to understand what's a BBL, because what's a BBL? Like, guys, just go into the comment section and explain to me, how does it work? BBL, does it have, is it, it has everything to do with the body, like even ukukhipha amafuta like in your stomach, is that still BBL? And then, yeah, because for me, I thought BBL is when you are probably aiding your bottom to look, your bums to look bigger or something like that. I thought that's BBL, like you are Brazilian bottom lift, you are lifting your bums, like they must be round and well shaped, and I thought that's what it was. Yeah, I don't know. Does it also apply to umkaba, like mawkhipha effect from umkaba? Is that also BBL? Guys, help me. Help a girl out. Help a girl out, because they, you know what? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video up until this far. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll be back in a minute.